My dear students, good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session, we are going to discuss exercise 12.3, question number 7 to 10. Okay, question number 7 to 10. Question number 1 to 5, we already discussed in the last session. Question number 6 is related with angle 120 degree. That type of questions is removed by CBSE from this year's board exam. So, no need to study such questions. Okay. So, exercise 12.3, question number 7. In the figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 cm with centers A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. The figure given in the question, and it is given that ABCD is a square with the side 14 cm. So from D to C, BC, AB and AD are equal to 14 cm. Okay. Then there are 4 circles like this. That 4 circles such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Okay. This touch these two, this touch these two and this touch these two. Okay. Like that 4 circles are there. That means this radius are same. Okay. So from here to here it is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter means this much distance will be what? 14 by 2. That is 7. So this is also 7. Same way this is 7. This remaining 7. This is 7. This remaining 7. This is 7. This is also 7. Okay. Then here we have to find the area of this shaded portion. That means area of this square minus area of these 4 quadrants. Okay, how it will be the quadrant? Because this angles are 90 degree. When the central angle is 90 degree, then that sector is known as quadrant. Okay, so here what we should do? Find the area of the square, then minus area of these 4 quadrants. These four quadrants having the same radius, so we can take them as a full circle with radius 7. Okay, so anyway here we have to find area of the shaded portion, that is equal area of the square with the side 14 centimeter minus area of the circle with radius 7 centimeter. Here the area of shaded portion equal area of square with the side 14 centimeter minus area of circle with radius 7 centimeter. So we can write the equation for them, that is area of square is a square, then area of circle is pi r square. Then we can substitute the values. Here side of the square is 14, so a is 14. Then 14 square minus pi is 22 by 7 into r is 7. So we can write r square as 7 into 7. Then 14 square is 196 minus this 7 and 7 we can cut. 27 into 7, 22 into 7 is 154. So that is equal 42. So the shaded region's area is equal 42 centimeter square. Now exercise 12.3, question number 8. The given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter and they are each 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, then find the distance around the track along its inner edge and find the area of the track. The figure given in the question, Then according to the question, the distance between the two inner parallel line segments, that means this distance is given as 60 meter. Okay, so here it is 60 meter. So here also it will be 60 meter, right? Then it is given that they are each 106 meter long. That means this length is 106 meter. This is 106 meter. Then this is also 106. Then this is also 106. Okay. Then in the question we have to find the length, the distance around the track along its inner edge. That means this length of the boundary of the inner surface. Okay. Then next we have to find area of the track. Area of the track means this part. Okay, this is the track. So we have to find area of the track and perimeter of the inner path. Perimeter of the inner path and this area of the track. This is the track. Okay. So here we have to find first perimeter of this inner part. For that we have to add these all parts. This length is given as 106. This length is also 106. Then we have to find this curved surface and this curved surface. In the question it is given that these two curves are semicircles. That means these two together it will be a circle. So here the length of this inner edge will be equal 106 plus 106 plus a perimeter of circle, right? This circular half circular path and this half circular path with the equal diameter should be equal to a full circle's circumference. So here we get area perimeter or the total distance around the track along its inner edge will be equal 106 plus 106 plus perimeter of circle with diameter 60 meter. Okay, so 106 plus 106 plus what is the perimeter of the circle? We can use two equations, 2 pi r or pi d. Here diameter is given, so directly we can find pi d. Then 106 plus 22 by 7 into 60. So 106 plus 106 plus we can multiply these two, then what we will get 1320, then by 7. Then 106 plus 106 will be 212 plus 1320 by 7. Here we can do this cross multiplication. Then 212 into 7. 212 into 7 will be 1484. Then plus 1320 by into 1. Here no denominator, so we can multiply it by 1. Then it will be 1320 itself. Then 1 into 7 will be 7. Then 1484 plus 1320, that will be 2804. So 2804 by 7 centimeter will be the answer. 2804 by 7 meter. Here the measures are given in meter. So this also will be meter. Okay, so this is the perimeter of the inner edge or distance around the track inner edge, right? Then we have to find area of this track. How we can find the area of the track? First we have to finding the area of this track. This width is given in the question. This width is given as 10 meter. This width is given as 10 meter. Okay. So here how we will get the area of this track? Here we can split this track into 4 parts. One part is this rectangle. Okay. With length 106, breadth 10. Same way here also one rectangle we will get like length 106 and breadth 10. Okay, so area of this rectangle plus area of the rectangle with the same measures. That means 2 into area of rectangle. Okay, that means we can write it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So these two are the rectangles. Then next, for finding this area, what we should do? This full and this full together, it will be a big circle. Okay. Then these two together will be a small circle. Then this track area will be what? This. Right? So, area of the ring, like ring we can take. Area of the ring will be equal area of big circle minus area of small circle. So here what is the diameter of small circle? It is 60 meter. Then diameter of big circle will be what? Here 60, here 10, here 10. So 60, 70, 80. Okay. So big diameter will be what? 60. Small diameter will be 60. Then big diameter will be what? 60 plus 10 plus 10. That means 80. Okay. So here how we will get the area of the track? Area of rectangle ABCD plus area of rectangle EFGH. Then area of this ring plus area of this ring. Okay. Area of rectangle ABCD is equal area of rectangle EFGH because their measures are same. Length is 106 meter and breadth is 10 meter. Okay, then we can find area of the track as area of rectangle ABCD plus area of rectangle EFGH, then plus area of ring, right? Then here area of ABCD and area of EFGH are same. So we can write it as twice of area of rectangle ABCD. Anyway we can mention plus area of ring, right? Then 2 into area of rectangle will be L into B. Okay. Then area of ring will be what? Area of big circle minus area of small circle. Okay, that we can put in a bracket. Then here L into B we can give as 106 into 10. Then plus area of big circle will be what? Pi r square. Area of small circle will be pi small r square. Here we can multiply 2 into 106 into 10. Then 2120 plus pi r square minus pi r square. Okay. Then here we can take the common factor pi outside. Then r square minus r square we will get. Then 2120 plus pi into this we can again simplify or write as r plus r into r minus r. We can use the identity. Okay, r square minus r square, a square minus b square will be a plus b into a minus b. Then in the question it is given that diameter of the big circle is 60 plus 10 plus 10, that we will get as 80 meter. Then radius will be d by 2 equal 80 by 2 equal 40 meter. Then similarly small r, that means radius of the small circle we have to find. For that they given d is equal 60 meter. So r equal d by 2 equal 60 by 2 equal 30 meter. These two we have to substitute in this equation. That will be 2120 plus 22 by 7 into 40 plus 30 into 40 minus 30. Right? Then 2120 plus 22 by 7 into 40 plus 30 will be 70. 40 minus 30 will be 10. Then we can cut these two. Then the remaining answer will be 2120 plus 2200. That is equal 4320 meter square. 4320 meter square. So this is the area of the track.